The Internet Computer Protocol is sophisticated technology. It's actually a part of a bigger plan in the next $1 trillion industry. What if I told you AI is not the next $1 trillion industry, but infrastructure is? Talking about a new internet layer that solves a 10 trillion a year cybercrime industry expected to double by 2030. And websites, apps, and games can be deployed on this new internet layer and cannot be hacked. Let's go. What up? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Justin Jackberry, listening to Wealth Frequency. And we're talking about the Internet Computer Protocol. Why? Because this innovation is winning. Massive announcement, breaking news that Caffeine.ai is built on top of some of the most powerful large language models. There's rumors that it's using Claude's Sonnet, who we all know is owned by Anthropic. Anthropic just made a massive announcement today that they're investing into Google $50 billion into helping scale protocol computing, not cloud computing, protocol infrastructure to be specific. Why is this massive? Well, you can connect the dots. If Caffeine.ai is powered by Claude, which is owned by Anthropic, and Google is struggling to keep up with the demand of computation, and they're going to be testing cloud engines developed by Internet Computer Protocol, which is a protocol layer that lives in between the user and the data center, which works on top of existing data infrastructure. It's called cloud computing. And DFINITY Foundation is working alongside of Anthropic and Google, and also Amazon and Microsoft. You can bet that this sophisticated technology that DFINITY Foundation has developed was built for the future of AI. And we're seeing it right here. The demand for computation is exploding. And it's growing so fast that big legacy tech, cloud servers, data centers cannot keep up with the demand. Computation, which is what a decentralized protocol network offers, is cheap, decentralized compute power. And there's nobody else in the world that does it as cheap, as fast, as safe as the Internet Computer Protocol. Compute is digital oil. It's absolutely the biggest next demand in commodity, digital commodity that is exceeding the current demand. So once AI starts writing itself, which it has, and it starts optimizing for itself, for efficiency, and financial transaction settlement layers, it is going to seek the path of least resistance. The cheapest compute commodity available in the world today is the Internet Computer Protocol. And Anthropic's investing $50 billion into helping Google sustain the scaling of cloud computing infrastructure. Not cloud servers, not data centers, cloud computing, protocol computing, cloud engines. You're leaving money on the table if you don't own some of the Internet Computer Protocol tokens, because the demand is going to eat up all of the available tokens on every exchange that you can possibly get your hands on in the next 3 to 5 years. The next 12 to 36 months are going to prove that the direction of DFINITY Foundation, absolutely geniuses who have been working on this for nearly a decade, have been developing a tamper-proof, unhackable protocol that operates websites, apps, and games inside of encrypted canisters where code is encrypted and hidden at the execution level, which means that when an app runs, a website runs persistently, it cannot be shut down on the Internet Computer Protocol. It cannot be infiltrated, it cannot be hacked, because it runs inside of a canister, which is like a container, a smart contract container. I don't know who is, but absolutely underestimating the power of this supercomputer protocol layer. Cloud Engines, Google, Anthropic just confirmed today. Cloud Engines, DFINITY Foundation, working with big legacy tech who are struggling to keep up with computational power. Another massive announcement. DFINITY Foundation says that every user's device, cell phone, laptop, will become a part of the Internet Computer Protocol network. It will become the edge network for efficient, cheap, fast, secure computation to run the future of the Internet 2.0, websites, apps, and games. Go to caffeine.ai, start building your ideas. You don't need to know how to code. This is the single most important barrier of entry that anyone can think of or imagine. Only you control your information and data. Only you control the wallet that your money that lives in if it's part of the Internet Computer Protocol. We're talking about revolutionary new technology that protects the consumer's information, data, or anybody else who uses it. Anybody can build on it. It's a public internet infrastructure. Countries and governments are going to make a massive mistake if they do not have the access to information of who DFINITY Foundation is, what the Internet Computer Protocol actually does, because they're light years ahead. Alien tech, pretty damn close. Do not underestimate the power that these partnerships are going to and have been offering the future of the internet and technology, the internet of everything. If you don't own a piece of the network or a token, I highly, highly recommend it. This is not financial advice. Do your own research. From my own experience, my own research, my own 10,000 plus hours of development and research. And if you connect all the dots and you spend this much time studying this stuff, then you understand that Internet Computer Protocol is the most available, massive commodity that the internet needs, that AI economy is going to absolutely slurp. Until the next video, stay groovy.